Hello students, let's solve an IVP using the method of Laplace transform. So what we have is y double prime plus 2y prime plus 2y equals t squared plus 4t. Y of 0 is equal to 0. Y prime of 0 is equal to -1. So what we will do is we will apply the Laplace transform to both sides. Keeping in mind that the Laplace transform of y double prime is s squared times big Y of s minus s times f of 0 minus f prime of 0. And the Laplace transform of y prime is s times big Y of s minus, this f should be a y, of course, minus y of 0. Now y of 0 is 0 and y prime of 0 is -1. So what we're going to end up having is s squared times big Y of s plus 1. These two terms here correspond to y double prime, the IVP. And then we have plus 2s times big Y of s plus 2y of s. So this is the left-hand side. Now the right-hand side, we have to take the Laplace transform of t squared plus 4t. So that ends up being 2 over s cubed plus 4 over s squared. So what we have right now is this: y of s times the quantity s squared plus 2s plus 2 equals 2 over s cubed plus 4 over s squared minus 1. We subtracted 1 from both sides. So now I almost have isolated y of s. That's going to be the next step. What we're going to do is combine all of these terms on the right side, combine these fractions, getting a common denominator. The common denominator is s cubed. And then we're going to divide both sides by s squared plus 2s plus 2. So we have y of s equals 2 plus 4s minus s cubed all over s cubed times s squared plus 2s plus 2. So what we'll do is, again, it will be a partial fraction decomposition. The decomposition is as follows. Big Y of s equals as squared plus bs plus c over s cubed plus ds plus e all over s squared plus 2s plus 2. So this is the partial fraction decomposition for the inverse loss transform. So now you have to determine A, B, C, D, and E. And it's not difficult, I promise. I'm confident that you can all work this out. A is -3/2. B is 1. C is 1. D is 3/2. And E is 2. So once we have all of these values, we can actually now finish the problem.